her name?
Wahleshia.
How you say it? Wahleshia.
Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Dolce and Gabbana The One. If you're anything like me, I purchase perfumes all the time without knowing what they smell like. And this is no exception. They had a sale going on Groupon and I wanted to get it. So we're going to be doing a blind smell test on the Dolce and Gabbana The One to see, do we love it or do we hate it? Hopefully we love it because we got a pretty big size. But if you're interested in that, then stay tuned. Okay, so when you open it, it has a cute little Dolce and Gabbana sticker right there to close it. It's nice, you know. Nice enough that you may not want to just like completely rip it off. Okay, here is the box. We're gonna open it up. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Already not having a bad. This is what it looks like. Okay, so it's really pretty. I love the way that this looks. Let's see. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, you know how they normally have like those little things that you can like spray on and do this? Well, I ripped one off the box, okay? And I'm going to give it a spray. I'm gonna dry it on. Baby, this smells great. Okay. It's giving me grown, sexy, corporate. It's giving me summer. Summer flirty dress at the ice cream parlor. No, you're not at the ice cream parlor. Where are you? You're at the spa. See, this scent smells like you got money. You know, it smells like you got money, but like you're not. Let's hold it up. This smells like you've got some money. Okay? It smells like you might wear a suit sometimes, but then sometimes you might want to wear a dress. You smell like a woman who has it put together. It gives you a sweet, I don't smell citrus though. I don't know if it's a, I do, it's like a sweet, I don't think it's amber. I don't know what the smell is, but it's great. But it is a mature smell too though. Like, I definitely don't think that this is for like the 20-somethings. No, baby, you got to be 30 to wear this. You a woman. You're a woman. You're not playing with these kids, you know? Anyway. That's what it gives me. It gives me sexy, grown woman. This is not Bath and Body Works, honey. This is not Victoria's Secret either. This is I'm a woman and I'm about my business and I want to smell grown, you know, but not your grandmother's scent either though, you know. No shade to grandmas, but this is like right before you get to there. This is like 30 through 50. That's what Dolce and Gabbana the one gives me. This is the one. This is the one that you wear when you gotta go, when you want the job. That's what this is. The one that you wear when you want to get hired. Put this on. This is the one that you wear when you want people to take you seriously, you know. This is the one that you wear when you want to wear a blazer, you know. You wear this. This is the one that you wear, you know what I'm saying, when you got a corporate meeting. This is that one. So this is a very sexy perfume, but it's not, it doesn't give me the kind of sexy that you feel like you want to wear with I don't feel like my man would be like, take off your clothes. It doesn't give me that, but it does give me you're at work and you walk past somebody and they say, oh, you smell nice. You smell fresh. You smell good, but you don't smell offensive. You don't smell too strong. It's not too strong. But it's not watered down. Anyway, so to formulate my opinion of the Dolce and Gabbana, the one, this to me is a very business boss woman perfume. This is the one that you wear when you have on a suit, baby. This is the one that you wear when you want to get the job. This is the one you wear when you go to an interview. This is the one that you wear when you want people to take you seriously, but you don't want them to think that you're old. This is the one that you wear when you have to get up and walk away. Like you have a meeting at a restaurant and you want to walk past your employer and you want them to think, oh, that's pleasant. But at the same time, it's not too strong because some people can't handle really, really strong perfume. You just smell like a good, clean, professional lady who's about her business in this. And I really enjoy it. So, if you are in the market to get Dolce and Gabbana, the one, if you are trying to get the job, honey, you don't know, you know what I'm saying, what to wear to the interview, but you don't want to overpower the boss. This is the one I would recommend. I would recommend it. I love it a lot. I'm trying to get into the more upscale things, and this is definitely an upscale perfume, and I enjoy it. This is the 2.6 milliliters, 2.5 ounces, 75 milliliters. So it should last me a good long time, and I'm just really excited about it. I like it a lot. So anyway, if you see that Groupon is having a sale on perfume, that is the time to jump. Nobody wants to pay full price. That's stupid. Go on Groupon, get you some perfume, and get your collection up like that. And then that way, you can be in the game. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my reaction or my first impression of the Dolce and Gabbana, the one. And if you like this video, then please make sure that you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so that I can keep making more videos and more content. Okay? Until next time, I'll see y'all later.